Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm attempting something that I am highly unqualified for. So, I have been searching the internet looking at nail art trends recently. Somewhere down the YouTube rabbit hole, I came across polygel nails. As someone who's never had acrylics, never had anything other than like maybe 3 gel manicures in my entire life, I was like, oh, awesome. This seems like it's easy enough to do. That needs to stop. Stop it. Okay, let me grab her a toy that doesn't squeak. Honestly, in all of those videos I was watching, it seems like it should be super easy. I have a feeling it's not going to be, but we will find out. So I went on Amazon and I ordered the Beetles Gel Polish Nail Extension Kit. I got a curing UV LED lamp, and we're just gonna go for it. I feel like an unboxing channel. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it comes with dark pink, ow, white, light pink, and clear, a gel top coat, a spatula, and a brush, nail file, another nail file. This one I think is like a buffer, dual forms. I feel like I know what I'm talking about because I've watched so many videos. And then I think this should be a base coat. Yes, this is a base coat. And we're just gonna go for it. Okay. First, I need to prep my nails. My nails are in terrible shape. Yeah, that's just that. Surprise, I'm turning into a beauty channel. I'm a little concerned about the whole like using my left hand thing. My left hand can't do jack shit. So I'm thinking maybe I'll do the white. That way, I don't have it that way. But I'm thinking white could look really cool. I didn't get any gel like polish. If I wanted to paint over it, I'd have to just use regular polish, which is fine, but okay. So in the videos I've watched, my cuticles look like trash. Oh my God. I think that's like a later problem. Do better.
Do better.
Okay. In some of the videos I've watched, they say like rubbing alcohol your nails, that way like to get the oils off. This is going to be great, guys. Like, I hope this works out because that would be awesome. This whole thing was not that expensive, which is also kind of concerning because it should be more expensive, but yeah, okay. In the videos they were saying just find a form that fits your nail. I'm gonna have claws. Oh my God, I'm so excited. It's not exactly right. Okay. Now, first I'm going to apply the base coat, cure for 60 to 90 seconds. This kind of smells, not gonna lie. It's gonna start squeaking. I can feel it coming. Yep, she's gonna. Well, I'm gonna cure these. I'll play some music over top of that. Go get your ball. No. This is gonna be a long video. Somehow I feel like this shouldn't still be sticky. My hand's sweating from being in there. Am I getting a hand tan? Okay, it's a little bit sticky, but I'm sure it's fine. White, quick building UV LED gel. I think all you're supposed to do is squeeze it out onto this thing, like a ball of it. Put it in here, and then you use the slip solution or alcohol to smooth it out. We press it down. I love talking about things as if I know what I'm actually doing. You don't want air bubbles. You're supposed to clean up around the edges. Wow, this does not go to the edge of my nail whatsoever. Smooth it underneath. This is gonna go horribly wrong. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this dual form does not fit my finger. Okay, that's like why it keeps moving. All of the gel's coming out. Okay, well, we're gonna abandon that nail. Let's keep trying. None of these are like quite right, like as far as size goes. I'm gonna like bend this shit. Okay, wait, okay. Let's try this again. This is sticky. Okay. Okay, wait, I have a good feeling about this one. It's kind of thin. I should put a tiny bit more. Okay, honestly, these people in these videos, mad props because you make it look so much easier. I mean, but isn't that everything on the internet? Okay. Okay, take 2. Let's pop this puppy on. I'm gonna clean up. Smooth it out under here. Okay, now we're gonna cure you. 60 to 90 seconds. Somehow I feel like it's not on straight. Just have a bunch of like crooked ass nails. It's gonna be fine. I literally have never had nails before. This is so exciting. This whole video is just gonna be me looking down at a tiny little thing and not the camera not being able to see any of it. Maybe I'll do a couple takes of it like closer up. Yeah, after it's done curing, it's supposed to just like pop off and then you just file it. I guess, wait. Shape and then apply the top coat and cure it. Regular girl does DIY nails, hee hee hee. Okay. Oh my god. This is how you know I'm not a beauty guru. Okay, well, here, and then, oh my god, wait. Shut up. Oh my god, this is so freaky. Okay, it's like really attached to my skin though. I'm shook. This is so cool. It like is really hard. Okay, so I know like I probably should go over to the whole like doing the other nails thing, but I want to like shape it. Oh my god, this is crazy. I like don't even know what to do with this long of a nail. Because this is like so on my skin, I'm like trying to just file it down to thin that out. Ooh, I guess even if you do put it on a little crooked, you could just file it to shape it the way you want it. Okay, like the cuticle area looks like trash, but honestly, like I'm not mad at this. Let's try this again. Okay, let's do the thumb. This whole thing is not gonna be in focus. I'm a booty guru, not a beauty guru, so like don't come at me, but okay, I think I need a little bit more. Okay. Now, I'm gonna clean up. Okay. I'm sweating. Hi, my name is Jenna and I'm a sweater. Okay. I hope you all saw that all go fly. She is beauty, she is grace. She is me. Hi, I'm Jenna, nice to meet you. I literally have this shit all over me. Okay, how are you supposed to do anything with nails? I'm literally not gonna be able to do anything. I kind of love that. I love that for me. I'm thinking I'm just gonna go straight into it. Okay. My hands are so ugly. Oh my god. Yikes. Alrighty, so I have 3 nails on. They're not done yet. Let's be real, they're not done yet. Oh my god, literally like just doing this. Oh, I feel so, this is so fun. They're looking kind of tragic right now. I definitely think I'm gonna end up painting over them, but I'm gonna finish this hand off camera and then I'll check back in and let you know how I'm doing. Oh my god, I feel like such a lady. Like, oh, hi, I'm not gonna be able to pick up anything. Okay, see ya when I'm fully manicured. Bye. Hi everyone, I am back in my room. Just finished up one hand. I hated the way that the color looked, the white, so I painted them with just a regular polish. I know haters are gonna come at me for my claws, but honestly, for a first attempt, it's really not that bad. I'm the type of person who normally when I paint my nails, I paint outside of the lines and wait for it to peel off. So honestly, like, I'm kind of proud of it. I will film like a little montage of my nails pretending like I am a beauty guru,